Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to see beetroot biryani. For this, add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of ghee in a pressure cooker. To this, let us add some oil. Once the oil is hot, you can add the whole spices, that is 1 bay leaf, 4 cloves, 2 cardamom, 1 small cinnamon and a small piece of rock flour. Fry the spices for about a minute or two and then add 1 cup of chopped onions, 1 green chilli and a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now give a nice saute. Saute the onions until it becomes translucent. To this, add a handful of chopped coriander and mint leaves. Saute this for about a minute or two. Next, grind 2 tomatoes and add it into this. This is approximately half a cup of tomato paste. Give this a nice saute. Saute the tomatoes well for at least 2 or 3 minutes and then we can add the masalas. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala. We have to cook this properly until the raw smell goes off. Let us close this and cook for a few minutes. Now you can see that the oil has oozed out. At this stage, you can add the beetroots. This is 1 big beetroot chopped. Add the required amount of salt and give a nice saute. Let us close this and cook for a few minutes. This is ready. The beetroot is half cooked now. Next, we are going to add the rice. I have already soaked 1 cup of basmati rice in water for about half an hour. Drain the water and add it. Give a nice mix. For 1 cup of rice, I am going to add 2 cups of coconut milk. This is a fresh coconut milk taken from half a coconut. You can also replace coconut milk with water, but coconut milk will give a nice taste to the biryani. So if you want, you can add 1 cup of coconut milk and 1 cup of water. Now close this and cook for 2 whistles. Let this get ready. By the time we'll fry some cashews. Take a pan, add some ghee. To this, let us add few cashew nuts and fry them. Once it is golden brown, you can take it out and set this aside. Coming to the biryani, this is ready. We can take it out now. Add few freshly chopped coriander leaves. It will give a nice flavor to the biryani. Now we can add the fried cashews. Give a gentle mix, don't break the rice. So here our beetroot biryani is ready. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.